Looking for a desktop processor that delivers smooth 108OP gaming without the hassle of buying a separate graphics card? The AMD Ryzen 5 5600G stands out with best-in-class integrated graphics performance, making it an ideal choice for gamers and casual users alike. This processor packs 6 cores and 12 threads, paired with the efficient AMD Wraith Stealth cooler. It runs up to 4 GHz with max boost and is unlocked for overclocking, giving you the flexibility to push performance when you need it. Plus, it supports DDR4-3200 memory and comes with a generous 19 MB cache for speedy multitasking. One of the biggest benefits? You save on power consumption and avoid the extra cost of a dedicated GPU. If you mostly play media or light games, this chip handles everything smoothly without requiring a high-end power supply. That means lower electric bills and fewer components to worry about. Users have combined the 5600G with discrete GPUs too, sharing graphics memory effectively when the motherboard supports the bandwidth. This versatility makes it a great value, especially as GPU prices remain high. Even on budget motherboards, it performs well without compromising storage options thanks to smart PCIe lane management. I've built 2 systems with Ryzen 5 processors, including the 5600G, and the experience has been solid. Despite a recent setback when my 5700G build was stolen, I found the 5600G to be a cost-effective alternative, priced about $70 less, without sacrificing much in performance or features. Keep in mind, some motherboards may require a BIOS update to support this chip fully, especially on older boards. But once set up, the 5600G runs cool and stable, even under load, making it a reliable choice for both gamers and content creators. If you're looking to build a budget-friendly PC that doesn't cut corners on gaming or general performance, the Ryzen 5 5600G deserves a close look. It offers a balanced mix of power, graphics capability, and efficiency all in one package. Ready to simplify your build and save money without losing performance? Consider the AMD Ryzen 5 5600G for your next desktop setup. Worth a look if you want solid 108OP gaming and multitasking without the extra GPU expense.